So yun ang ano, time check ta. Tayo'y mag time check 5:47. So yun na, dating na yung ano, mga contingents. Tapos yung mga rescue vehicles. So ito yung ano, ganap. Kumbaga ano na to, unang pasilip ho natin sa inyo. Sa ano, sa schedule kasi nung ano, indak-indak is 6 AM hanggang 1:00 ng hapon. So ang inyong abang lingkod ay hindi mo na natulog kasi kung matulog, alam niyo naman talaga ako ano eh. Alam niyo naman talaga ako na hindi ako natutulog ng maaga. I mean, in short say nocturnal, no. So araw yung tulog ho natin, pero syempre hindi pwedeng ma-miss ho natin yung event, hindi pwedeng ma-miss natin yung naanak ko. So hindi pwedeng ano, ma-miss natin yung event, no. So hindi baling walang tulog, no. Tulog na lang mamaya after matapos yung ano, or kahit hindi pa tapos, basta ma-witness lang natin yung ano, yung street dancing ho talaga, yung kailangan ng lahat ng performance. Sana no, lahat ng performance ay matapos ho natin at hindi tayo talaga aantugin or mag-collapse or mag-breakdown. Wala pang tulog. So naisip ko lang kasi na ito naman kasi is ano lang, no, once a year ano lang talaga siya na event. Minsan lang sa isang taon mangyayari, so hindi ko pa maibigay talaga sa inyo yung ano, yung kahit paano may share. Kasi nagawa ko ng ano, although kahit pa sabihin natin yung dinagyang, yung aking sinulog ay na-witness ko siya dahil para sa sarili ko rin gusto ko rin i-witness, although I don't know kung siguro mahilig, no, pwede. Okay lang din. So witness ko yung ano, yung sinulog festival tsaka yung dinagyang festival. So shinare ko siya sa mga Davaoenos, yung napaka-grandioso, no, na festival na yun. So ngayon, ito namang ano, sa Davao, Davao Festival naman na kung tawagan naman is Karayawan Festival, ay i-share ko rin naman sa mga Ilonggo and mga Cebuano, di ba? So yun lang, babaga give and take lang ho tayo for this video, di ba? So yun lang naman. Kung siguro kung hindi lang ako naging ano, content creator kahit paano, di na ako ano, mag-aabalang ano, no, magpupuyat or hindi naman magpupuyat, like hindi ko na kailangan sigurong siguro tulog pa ako ngayon, team replay na lang siguro, pero dahil nga sa kahit wala namang nag-obliga wala namang nagsasabi, pero alam ko, no, marami dyan makaka-appreciate sa gagawin ko na ano, i-content ito. So ito yung ganap dito, ito yung mga larawan, ito yung mga preparation ho nila. Yan, nakaupo lang ho sila, get ready. So sana itong mga batang to, sana may tulog, no. Nakatulog mo lang ga? Nakatulog mo? Ha? Okay yung tulog, very good. Nangaon na mo, nangaon na. Oh, very good. So maayo, no. So ayun, dahil nga sa ang inyong abang lingkod ay content creator kunyari. So yan lang. Hindi muna tayo natulog. Tapos tapusin na natin to, itong indak-indak, kasi ito talaga yung pinaka last day, no, pinaka final event ho talaga. So I don't know kung aabot pa ako hanggang sa floral float parade, pero tingnan lang ho natin, tingnan natin kung hanggang saan kaya ng ating energy. Shout out sa nanay ko dyan, no? Huwag ka nang manood dito kasi sa mga senior citizen hindi talaga din to ano, no, event para sa inyo. Ibig ko sabihin na ano, hirap mag-witness, hirap mag tambay kayo dito sa kalsada nakatayo, diba? So team bahay na lang ho kayo, team replay. Early as yun na nga 5:55. So ilang minuto na lang, no, magsisimula na. So paano ba to? Sana makapasok tayo dun, makapwesto tayo dun sa unahan, dun sa may Marco Polo Hotel area, sa may Freedom Park. Ilan kayang mga contingents meron ngayon, no? Hello, shout out, good luck, good luck. Asa yung ano, sa inyo hang lugar? Representing, ha? Trans, okay, Trans, no? So, Trans, lugar ho yan, ha? Trans is Daniel R. Rodriguez National High School. Diyan ho bumoto ang mga Duterte family. Diyan ho sila rehistro na presento. So, good luck contingents. Oo, sana maging okay ang magiging mamaya. performance. So ilang minuto na lang, mag-o-opening remarks na. So kibali ngayon, ano na talaga, no? Talagang sinabay na ang dalawang event, Indak-Indak sa Kadalanan and Floral Float Parade. Ang Floral Float Parade is yun po yung ano, no, pagandahan ng mga ano, float para sa mga ano, mga business sectors or mga private sectors. Alright, dinig na natin, no, yung malalakas na tambol, tunog ng tambol or mga bayo ng tambol. So ano na to ha, opening. So good morning sa lahat. So mga Davaoenos, happy 39th Karayawan Festival sa ating lugar. So sa mga Ilonggos and Cebuanos out there na mga nanonood, shout out to sa inyo. Kung ang iyong Dinagyang Festival and Sinulog Festival ay na-share ko sa aking mga kababayang mga Davaoenos. So this time, i-share ko rin ulit sa inyo itong aming sineselebrate, no, na Kadayawan Festival dito sa Davao. So sana ay magustuhan nyo, no? I'll try the best effort. Dito tayo natulog muna. Kasi ang tulog ko talaga dapat scheduled yan. Alas 5, alas 6, alas 7 ng umaga, alas 8 araw, no? Wala pa masyadong ano dito, spectators or mga audience, no, or mga viewers. Mga contingents pa lang. Good morning Davao, Davaoenos, once again, happy 39th Karayawan Festival sa ating lahat. Duwaling, no, originated talaga yung ano, bago pa naging Karayawan Festival, it's Apo Duwaling Festival. So means Mount Apo, Durian and Waling-Waling. Pero dahil siguro sa nadagdagan yung ano, hindi lang talaga durian, meron dito waling-waling sa Davao. So magiging naging mas maayos, no, lahat. Naging progresibo ang Davao. Mga prutas, mga pananim, mga gulay, agriculture or agri-products. Basta naging ano, okay. So from the word madayaw, ha, madayaw means good. Tama ba? Madayaw. Ano natin Wikipedia. Alright, so nabuksan na natin yung ano, ating kaibigang si Wikipedia or si Wikipedia Library. Ayan, o, Kadayawan Festival. Kadayawan Festival is annual festival in Davao City in the Philippines. The festival is a celebration of life, a thanksgiving for the gifts of nature. So yun na yun, durian, waling-waling, saging, lanzones, mangustin, pomelo, mangga, at napakarami pang iba, saging, no? At napakarami pang mga ibang mga abundant of fruits and vegetables dito sa Davao City. So you know, celebration, no, for the gifts and thanksgivings for the gifts of the nature. The wealth of culture, yes, of course, no. So we have 11 tribes, 6 tribes from Moros, and 5 tribes from Lumad. Pangalanan ulit natin yung ano sa mga Moro tribes. So it's the Iranon tribes, Bangsa Iranon, Bangsa Sama, Bangsa Maguindanaon, Bangsa Maranao, Bangsa Kagan, and Bangsa Tausug. So that's 6 tribes from Moros. And from Lumad naman ay meron ho tayong ano, Ovo Manobo, Matigsalog, Bagobok Nata, Bagobok Tagabawa, and ano ba yung isa? Kagan, hindi ko pala na-mention. Anyway, tapos yun the bounties of harvest and serenity of living. So dito sa Davao, ano ho kami dito? Meron ho kami tinatawag na peace and harmonies. So Kadayawan. Okay. So Thanksgiving and cultural. So hindi ho kami religious ho dito. So ngayon, so syempre ang napuntahan ko pa lang na ibang festival sa Pilipinas na talagang napakagrandioso, no, kilala talaga, international, worldwide. So ang Sinulog Festival ng Cebu, tsaka yung Dinagyang ng Iloilo City. So sila ay cultural and religious festival. So dito sa Davao City, ang aming piniperform or yung aming sineselebrate na Kadayawan Festival ay cultural. So yan ang pinagkaiba. So ang araw naman na yun na nga, every third week of August. The festival was previously known as Apo Duwaling Festival. Yan ang nabanggit ko kanina. Named after the 3 icons of Davao, Mount Apo, Durian, and Waling-Waling. Previously, the festival was held. The festival was previously known as Apo Duwaling Festival, named after the 3 icons of Davao, Mount Apo, Durian, and Waling-Waling Orchid, Banda, no? Yan po yung makikita ho ninyo sa aming front of City Hall na Rebulto. Previously, the festival was held at the 3rd week of August every year, which was highlighting the 11 tribes of Davao City. In 2019, the celebration was extended and held from 2 to August 31. Oh, so mas pinahaba na sa ngayon, mga kagala. Oo, mas pinataas na yung celebration para ng Kadayawan. Hanggang 18 lang dapat, no, pero hanggang 31 pala. So mas maganda, no? Mayaman, maraming pera, maraming budget ang Davao. Sana all. And one of the highlights of the Kadayawan Festival is the Indak-Indak sa Kadalanan. Ito na yun, mga kagala, Indak-Indak street dancing. And yun, which translates to the street dancing. This is a showcase of the diverse indigenous cultures of the region. The festivities feature different communities in Mindanao dancing in vibrant costumes that highlight their indigenous heritage. So yun hindi lang siya Davao City, ha. So just like Iloilo City and Cebu City, just like Sinulog Festival and Dinagyang Festival, meron ho kayong street dancing, di ba, na kumbaga may mga contingents kalahok din kayo na mga taga-ibang probinsya. For example, Cebu, meron ho kayong di ba, provincial. Ano ba tawag doon? May tawag dyan nakalimutan ko lang, hindi ko nasa ulo yung nanalo is Karkar yata, no, last year.
Ladies and gentlemen,
and sa Iloilo naman is yung sa Kawayan, Panuan. Anyway,
the San Pedro Square mega tent should observe the list of things.
So dito sa Davao ganun din, no? So hindi lang Davao City ang hindi lang 11 tribes ang magpe-perform dito sa Indak-Indak sa Kadalanan, kundi maging ang mga kapitbahay na mga lalawigan ng Davao region. Oriental, de Oro, del Norte, del Sur, and Occidental, and also the neighboring provinces and regions sa buong Mindanao.
The entrance and exit ways to ensure a smooth flow of the ingress and egress of any folklore, fable, tale, legend, or any story or adaptation of any Davao City's 11 ethno-linguistic tribes' culture in a form of dance and live music, and should depict the theme relevant to the Kadayawan Davao 2024 celebration. King of festivals together in harmony, one vibrant community. The use of canned music is strictly prohibited. Contingents may use speakers to amplify levels of their instruments. There is a free use of wind and percussion instruments. However, electronic instruments such as drum pads, electric guitars, keyboards, among others, are strictly prohibited. Each contingent is allowed to use a maximum of 20 blockers and 8 panels only, with a maximum individual panel dimension of 5 feet in length and 8 feet in height from the stage platform. Killing of animals, The use of flammables, smoke grenades, and pyrotechnics are strictly prohibited. All risers or platforms should not be more than 2 feet in height. Dance steps and choreography should be progressive all throughout the parade, and street dance in the morning to facilitate the continuity and to preserve the momentum of the parade. Contingents are required to a 2-minute teaser performance on every satellite competition site in the morning, and a full competition repertoire of not less than 5 minutes and not more than 8 minutes, culminating grand inside the San Pedro Square in the evening, with each given 60 and 90 seconds to ingress and egress on every competition site respectively. A long horn blow will signal the start of the performance. All performances should be presentation. 3 sets of judges will be deployed during the competition in the morning, and another set of judges in the evening during the grand showdown in San Pedro Square in San Pedro Street. Final contingent scores will be derived from the following: 40% on the 2-minute street performances and 60% on the grand showdown at San Pedro Square. Ranking system will be applied. All scores are verified with the official private tabulator and auditing firm of Indak 2024, Reyes Takandong Auditing Firm. Contingents violations of the agreed provisions and guidance constitutes a 3-point across-the-board demerit, which will be casted by the Violations Committee of the competition. This will be deducted from the overall cumulative points garnered by the contingent before the final ranking. Performances of the contingents are the following criteria: movement and visual appeal, 10 points. This includes choreography and style, patterns and transition, costume and props, visual aesthetic impact, choreography, execution, and theme. 15 points qualifies the technical skill in the theme interpretation and group dynamics, fluency, balance, and focus. Parade exhibition, 5 points. This refers to the performance stamina and sustainability, consistency, and spontaneity in showmanship. Musicality, 10 points. This includes impact and transition, clarity of rhythm and beats, instrumentation. That gives a total of 40 points. And for the grand showdown at the San Pedro Square, they will be
okay na
scored
tayo siguro,
based on
bali i-off natin tong
movement and fluidity,
camera para
15
maka-ready
points.
na ho tayo para sa
This
performances
includes the
ng ating mga
choreography and
contingents.
style, partners and transitions,
So yun lang, no? Good
creativity
morning,
and spatial
and once
dynamics,
again mga Davao
choreography,
happy 39th
execution,
Karayawan
and theme
Festival.
interpretation, 25 points. This refers